Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Derby back with another coding tutorial, and today I'll be teaching you guys in part 2 of how to make your very own bot on Discord. I'll be teaching you guys about embeds. Now if you guys don't know what an embed is, let me just open this up. Right here is an embed. So I have a clear command, which is just like clear, I don't know, 10. You see it'll clear 10 of the messages that we've done. Yes, I have a clear command, and if I do clear 101, now the limit for a bot to clear is only 100, so if I do 101, I coded it that it'll give this embed. Now it doesn't have simple text like this. It has an embed, which just makes it look much nicer and everything. You can also set a custom color for the sidebar, etc. So it says, whoa there, you're trying to delete too many messages. Slow down, only 1 to 100 messages allowed. So I won't be teaching you guys how to make the clear command because that's it's kind of hard to teach. If I'm not gonna lie, but I'll try to do it for the next episode of the series. But yeah. So what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to open up our clips just like that, and we are going to want to make an embed. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go here, and we're going to want to make a new class, and let's just call it info. So it's going to give us info about the bot. So again, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to start our commands how they always should. So we're going to want to extend listener adapter, so extends listener adapter. Yeah, I spelled that wrong. There we go, Control-Shift-O. And then we're gonna want to do on guild message received and on guild message received events, etc. So public void on guild message received. Next we're going to want to do guild message received event. Just checking that I spelled that right. Yep. Alright. And then we're going to want to do event. And then just that. There we go. Next we're going to want to import our guild message received event. So we're going to want to put in the strings. String args with arguments. I went over arguments in the last video, so if you guys haven't watched the previous video, I suggest you go do it, because I'll leave a link to it down in the description, just so you guys can get started on the basics. Get message, dot get content raw, just like that. Next we're going to want to do dot split. This // s and plus, and we're gonna want to add another one right here, and we're just gonna want to end it off just like that. Wait, no, not like that. Oop, click the wrong button. Alright, so yeah, here we are, and this should be in uppercase. Sorry about that. So don't worry about this being underlined, it's just that we haven't used this variable yet. But yeah, alright, so next we're going to want to make an if statement. So if args, and then we're going to make it that it counted one argument, that equals, ignore case, we're going to want to do tut bot dot prefix. Make sure you've imported your tutbot as well, and then we're going to want to do and info. So yeah, just like that. Next we're going to want to do an open bracket, because this is an if statement, so everything that's a part of it goes in here. So next, how do we make an embed? This is where we set up our embed. So we're going to want to make an embed builder. So we do that just like this, embed builder. We're gonna call it info, and then we're gonna do equals new, or here I'll call it bot info, because you can probably make it server info, etc. based on how you want it. So I'll call it bot info equals new embed builder, just like that. Now embed builder isn't imported, so we're just gonna want to import it by pressing Ctrl+Shift+O. Don't worry, this is underlined again because we haven't used the variable yet. So it's just putting that out there. And then we're gonna want to do bot info, alright, dot set title. So let me just give an example of the title. So here, that's the title right there, alright? And then this is the description. Okay, so next what we're gonna want to do is we can also make it a link to your site. So let's say it's just like derpy and then my my URL. So maybe I could do here, let me find my YouTube channel. YouTube. Let me just go here, your channel. Right, and then I go right here, and I just copy this, right, and then I go in here, tutorial, and we can make the title, like for instance, we can make it, about derpy, right, and then we can make it, we're gonna make the URL my subscriber place. So yeah, all right. So yeah, we're gonna make it my URL for my YouTube channel. Now we're gonna want to set a description. This is basically gonna say this is basically gonna be the info. So bot info. It's gonna be the info that you're gonna add in. So in bot info set description. Right here. Just gonna make it info about the bot will be added later, because I don't feel like making a whole info about the bot right now. It's just a tutorial. You guys can put whatever you want there for the info. So now I'm gonna suggest making your color. So if you guys don't know what I mean by color, you see right here how it's red. So we have to make the color. So if we do info, bot info dot set color. Right? Now we're gonna want to do 0x and then the hex code of your color. So let's just go onto Google and do HTML color picker, and here we can get our colors that we need. So I'll maybe make it like green, like a light green or something. Yeah, something like this. So we grab the hex, and don't grab the hashtag, you don't need it, and just copy it, put it here, and after 0x just paste it in, and put a little comma or semicolon, and then we're gonna want to make a footer. Now if you guys don't understand what a footer is, I will be showing you guys right now. So if we go here and we do -info, this is the info I made for about Landwood, and as you guys can see, here's an example of the URL title. So if we click on here, yep, it will take us to the clothing group that I work for, just like that. So what we're gonna want to do is this is a footer basically. So it says created by compromised dev, which is me, and then it shows my my face right here. So yeah, created by compromised dev. So what we're gonna want to be doing is we're gonna want to so yeah, this is a footer, and we're gonna want to make that. So let's just open that up. Next, we're gonna want to do bot info set footer set footer, right? And I'm gonna make it say created by awesome members, created by the awesome people that are subscribed to Derby. Yep. And then next we're gonna want to add in the URL. So we're gonna make it well, we're not gonna make the URL, we're gonna make it our what's it called, our face. So I'm just gonna do we don't actually need these. We're just gonna do event. Oh my god, I can't type. Event dot get member dot get user dot get avatar URL. Alright, and then we're just gonna add that right there, and bam, that's our footer. So next, what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to build our whole entire embed so that it will actually show after we do the thing. Right here, all we did was just build the embed. We didn't send it, right? We just built it. Sorry if you guys hear background noise, by the way. My dog is barking the hell out of our neighborhood. Alright, so event dot get channel, and then we're gonna do dot send typing. If you guys saw the first video, you'll know why we're saying dot send typing. It's because we want to make it look like the bot is typing and not just an automated response, because that's just weird. I don't like it. Alright, and then we're gonna want to do event dot get channel. Alright, get channel, and then we're gonna want to do dot send message, and then we're gonna want to do info bot info dot build, right? Because we wanted to build our info. Then we're gonna want to queue it up, just like that, and then just to save some space, we're gonna do info bot info dot clear, just like that. And there we go. We have our embed done. So let's just we need to add it to our main script. So we're just gonna do JDA dot add event listener new info. Okay. Then we're gonna import our info, and there we go. Now all shall be well. And I'm just gonna do Control S to save everything. And we're gonna make our bot alive. Play. And our bot should go online. No? Is there a problem? Oh, I know why. My token is wrong, because I actually regenerated it after that last episode, because I did not want you guys to use my token, so I'm just gonna replace the token. Just gonna copy that token. Just like that. I'm gonna replace this token. Control V that in. And yeah, now all shall be well. Or should be. Tutorial, just press play. That should, yep. Tutorial bot is started up. And if we do info, 1 minute truth, baby. Bam! As you guys can see, we have our embed. So about Derby, if we click on it, yep, it takes us to my YouTube channel, just like that. And click off of that. There's our avatar right there. So it's created by the awesome people that are subscribed to Derby. If you guys want to be one of those awesome people, you guys gotta subscribe to Derby, which is me. So yeah, that is how you make an embed. And hopefully in the next episode, I'll either be showing you guys how you guys can make an avatar thing. So you know how if you do that, it shows you your avatar. Or if you do and you do somebody else's name, it'll show them their avatar. But I'm gonna be showing you guys the basic avatar, which is just that. I'm not gonna be showing you guys how to make another one because that's when we're gonna put in second argument ones and everything, and I want to show that to you guys in a different episode than the avatar episode, and then we can maybe implement that after we're done with that video, because I want you guys to understand what it is before you use it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, peace.